Hi, my name's Elizabeth McQuillan. I'm your instructor this semester for the spring-summer version of EER 7640, Introduction to Quantitative Research. In this introductory video, I'm going to show you the critters that are most apt to bark during the lectures. This is barking critter number 1, Thomas. Barking critter number 2, that's Andy. I hope you can see him. I also have meowing critters, but they don't stay within camera range. I also have chirping critters that are also learning how to bark. Those are my parrots. Welcome to my zoo. So what I want to let you know in this introductory statement about the class is that what we are essentially going to be doing through the term is a nice deep dive through the scientific method. Now, the first thing I want to address are the individuals enrolled in this course who think that's all well and good and I never plan on actually conducting research. Or maybe I'll conduct just enough research to get through my thesis or my dissertation, in which case I never want to think about it again. And I'm here to tell you, in your program, I promise you, that not only will you have many opportunities beyond the thesis, beyond the dissertation, to participate in research, you will, without a question, be a consumer of research. You will be inundated with research. And as the primary goal of being in any graduate program is to develop expertise, you must avail yourself of current and seminal research. In other words, at this point in your educational career, if you are not receiving professional journals in your area of interest and dedication, then I strongly suggest that you subscribe to at least one, maybe two, ideally three. That way you will be current. That way you will have a greater understanding of just how your field is furthered by evidence. So I invite you to put aside any thought that this does not have immediate relevancy to you, because I promise you it will. And this type of exploration through the scientific method that we'll be engaged in this summer will hopefully also provide for you a little more meaning and consideration toward longer term implications for what you do now, as well as what you aspire to do at the conclusion of your program. I make myself available to you via text, via email, via phone call. You are not to hesitate to get in touch with me when you have a need. I often hear from people, well, I didn't want to ask you this question about the homework or about a test because I didn't want to bug you. And permit me to assure you now, that doesn't bug me. It's when somebody doesn't perform to the best of their ability, and certainly to the degree that I know them capable of performing, and they didn't ask the question. That bugs me. So please don't, this is not the time to be shy. I also invite you in class participation, in discussions, in assignments. Don't be afraid to take some risks. Don't not answer because you're concerned that you're not giving me the quote-unquote right answer or the precise answer. There's a lot more innovation and creativity in science than not, because sometimes the things we're studying aren't in any way, shape, or form black and white. And we have to, as scientists, be willing to innovate, be willing to go out on a few limbs, be willing to take some risks, because that's where the lessons are found. Nobody ever really learned from never failing. Or as I also like to say, falling on your face is still moving forward, and do not be afraid of it. I look forward to getting to know each and every one of you. I hope that you not only get a lot out of this term, I hope you have some fun. I hope you find yourself enjoying it. I hope you look forward to class. Anyway, I'll do everything I can in my power to make that true for you. Take care. Thanks.